Most service businesses don't lose clients because of poor delivery. They lose clients because the experience feels disorganized. A client portal can help with that. The difference between a service based business that scales and one that stays stuck isn't sales or marketing, it's operational clarity, especially in how you manage every client touchpoint. In this video, I make the case for why every service based business needs a client portal, what you should include in your client portal, and the 2 tools I recommend for implementing one. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Chloe, a business process consultant, and over the last 2 years, I've built over 50 client portals in the process of systemizing businesses across all kinds of industries, from finance to healthcare, digital marketing agencies, energy firms, creative studios, and more. And what I've seen across the board is that client portals are the turning point between chaos and control. And no, this is not about adding another layer of complexity. The right client portal will simplify your processes and allow you to create an elevated client experience without having to learn another complicated piece of software. If you've ever experienced client miscommunication, lost files that you're trying to search through multiple different tools to find, or you've spent weeks chasing up an invoice a client is adamant they didn't receive, you've felt the cost of operational chaos. And that cost adds up quickly. Files go missing, tasks get delayed, clients start to feel uncertain about what's happening, you start to feel frustrated about all the time wasted searching for things, projects take longer than they should, and of course that means payment is delayed too. Every messy interaction is a tax on your time, your reputation, and your energy. Even if you think you are duct taping it all together and not letting clients see the leaky holes, when your internal systems are chaotic or inconsistent, your clients notice and they pick up on that energy. Lack of clarity, scattered information, and miscommunication all reflects back on you. A client portal can eliminate this at the source. So let's talk about what a client portal actually does. A client portal creates a single organized space for managing your projects. It might include your communication, deliverables, scheduling, and even payment system. Instead of bouncing between various tools and email threads, everything lives in one place. What this means is clients always know where to find information. Your onboarding process becomes structured and consistent, maybe even automated. Delivery and communication feels polished and professional. Your clients feel guided through the process, and projects can stay on track without you having to do a whole lot of extra work to manage them. Now, the mistake I see a lot of businesses make when creating their client portal is they want to include everything in there, all the bells and whistles. But better means simpler. And a really good client portal experience should prioritize functionality and ensuring that it's easy to navigate. With that in mind, here are the 5 essentials that you need to think about when creating your client portal. 1. Easy onboarding. Right after a client signs up to work with you is when they are most likely to experience buyer's remorse. So we want to use this time to make sure it's as frictionless as possible and we're reassuring them that they made the correct decision. 2 is messages and support. We want to eliminate the scattered email threads where conversations get lost. Instead, we want to create an easy way for clients to communicate with you that is searchable and easy to access in one contextually relevant place. 3 is a file management system. One space for all of your clients' assets so nothing goes missing. 4, contracts and invoicing. An easy way for you to manage all of the finance and legal stuff. No more, I can't find that invoice at 5 p.m. on a Friday. And 5, task and deliverable management. We need to be able to all see all the activities that are going on, who is responsible and accountable for each step, and where we're at in terms of progress. These 5 steps sound simple, but they eliminate 80% of client confusion. You can, of course, always build on it later, but again, keep in mind we're trying to keep things intuitive and easy to use. Now, when it comes to creating your client portal, there are many tools that you can choose from. The two that I tend to recommend are Notion and Assembly. And that's because these are the two tools that I personally use for client delivery in my own business. Notion is a great option if you are using it elsewhere in your business and you are on a budget. In my case, I also use it for clients who are migrating to Notion, so it's a really good learning experience for them. Assembly, on the other hand, is a dedicated client portal software that is perfect for any service-based business. What I like about it is it has all of these essentials built into the tool itself, and you can create a really clean, branded experience with minimal effort and zero complexity. Now, Assembly have been kind enough to sponsor today's video, so shout out to them. They have also given us an exclusive discount. So if you click the link in the description and sign up, you can use Chloe at checkout, and that's going to give you $100 off of your first purchase, regardless if you sign up for monthly or an annual plan. So if you sign up for monthly on the starter plan, you're essentially getting 2 months free to check it out and experience the benefits yourself. Now, I have created tutorials on both of these tools. I'll link to both of them in the description. And if you're not sure which one is the right fit for you and your business, in my next video, we're going to be doing a side-by-side comparison of Notion versus Assembly. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can be notified when that video drops. In the meantime, I would love to hear from you. Do you already have a client portal in place? If not, have you been thinking about one? Share your thoughts in the comments below and I'll meet you there. And if you'd like to continue watching, I recommend this one next.